Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. So today we're going to be doing a Ulta haul. I'm super excited, so if you guys want to see this haul, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so most of this stuff I got all for free. There's a couple items in here that I bought myself, but most of it is gratis, and I even got my last MAC gratis. And I don't think I've told you guys yet, but I actually don't work for MAC anymore, so this is going to be the last MAC gratis. Everything from here on out is going to be just stuff that I buy myself, but I still will be showing you guys stuff that I get for free just because I'm still going to be getting stuff from other brands, just not MAC. And if you guys are ever wondering why I don't answer a question or anything like that, I'm actually not allowed to talk about my job, so that's kind of why I don't say it anymore, where I work, but I'm pretty sure you guys know just from obvious reasons. But yeah, I'm not really allowed to talk about it, so if you ever think I'm ignoring you, I'm not. Trust me, I'm just not allowed to say anything. And so yeah, let's just go ahead and start with the MAC stuff. So I picked up a MAC pencil sharpener, and I did pick out all this MAC stuff, so it's not just random stuff, it's actually stuff that I signed up for. But yeah, I just picked this out just because I had to spend a little bit more because we had a $200 goal, and I was like, I want one of those MAC sharpeners because I've tried them and they are so good on any lip liners or eyeliners. And so I picked this up. Let me go ahead and open it so I can show you what it looks like. And so this is what it looks like. It does have two different sizes of holes that you could put your pencils in, so if you have a chunky pencil or just regular pencil. But yeah, I think it's super sleek and nice. Alrighty, so the next thing is a Dazzle liquid eyeshadow, and I got the color Love Yourself. Now, not all of these are awesome in formula, but some of the colors are good, kind of like the Stila. You know how sometimes some of them are inconsistent, and I just tried the Natasha Denona one, and some of those are inconsistent as well. So it just depends on the color that you get. But this one, the formula is perfect. It's nice and pigmented, and just this color is so pretty. I feel like I have nothing like it. So this is what the packaging looks like. And then I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys. And this is what it looks like. It's just a really pretty baby pink. It matches my background. So I picked up two black eyeliners. One of them is their brush stroke liner, which is their liquid liner. And I'm not gonna open this just because I have a lot of liquid eyeliners open right now and I don't want it to dry out. But yeah, this eyeliner reminded me a lot of the Kat Von D liquid liner from Sephora, and I wanted to see if it was the same or what the deal was because I've never tried any of MAC's liquid liners before. And so yeah, I got that. And then I just picked up their standard black pencil liner in the color Feline, and you can never have just too many black liners because I always tightline with these. And so yeah, it's just a regular pencil. I'll go ahead and swatch it so you can see how black it is. That is what it looks like right there. So I got a lip liner from MAC. This is their Heroine lip liner, and it's what I'm wearing right now with the Heroine lipstick. And that is why I picked it up, just because I had the lipstick and I felt like it was one of those colors that you need a lip liner with, and nothing in my collection matched. So I was like, I'll just get the matching lip liner. And so I'll go ahead and swatch it even though I'm wearing it. I feel like it's a little bit more pink compared to the lipstick, but it just pairs perfectly. So there it is. So that was all the MAC stuff. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to the rest of the brands that we have here. It's just a mix. So I picked up these two products from Urban Decay. This is the new Stay Naked Foundation and Concealer. These are the two products that I did buy with my own money just because I wanted to review it for you guys, and I'm so excited. I already did do a review and a wear test on both of these products, so if you haven't seen it yet, I will have it in the cards if it's up. I don't know if I'm gonna post it after this video or before, but it will be up super soon. I'm so excited. I'll go ahead and show you guys the packaging really quick. This is the packaging, and that's pretty much all I'm gonna say about this foundation concealer, just because like I said, I did do a video, but I did get a free Urban Decay gift with that purchase. If you spend $40 on Urban, you got these two products, which is a baby size of the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. It's so cute. And then also a mini eyeliner from Urban. So moving on, I got this from Estee Lauder. This is their Advanced Night Repair Serum. And I haven't heard much about this product. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried this. But basically it's just like an anti-aging serum. I don't know if I should keep it, give it away. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. but maybe I'll use it. I'm not sure. And so yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. I do believe it comes in different sizes. So this is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Triple Detox Shampoo. It says that it removes product pollution and hard water buildup. I'm super excited about this just because it sounds like it's really intense and it really gets everything off your scalp, which I usually can't use products like that on my hair because it does strip the color. But this says that it's sulfate free and it's also good for color treated hair. So I cannot wait to try it. Hopefully it works okay. If it strips my color, I'll probably just give it to Christian. And so this is what the packaging looks like, and this is the 5.4 ounce. Also, let me know your guys' thoughts on this as well if you've tried it out. The next product is from Kloriane. This is their Biconical foundation, and I'm not sure what that means. So let's go ahead and open it. So it says that it's a refreshing mist that purifies and neutralizes hair and scalp. So let's go ahead and open it. I kind of want to smell it because I think it's supposed to smell like mint. Oh, that's so satisfying. Ooh, ah, that smells good. It kind of smells like basil and mint put together. It smells very like earthy. It has like a harsh spray. I don't want to spray it in my hair just because I just washed my hair. But I'll definitely try this out maybe after a workout or something if you feel like your scalp is a little sweaty and smelly. I don't know. I'll probably give it to Christian, to be honest. Speaking of Christian, we got this little sample pack of Jack Black stuff. So it has beard lube, turbo wash, and a face moisturizer. So this is so cute. I thought he could use this like when he travels or something. So I got that. And then last but not least, I have this little sample here. This is the Diva Curl High Shine Oil. And this is a pretty good size. This is what it looks like right here. And it does come with a little pump. So I'm so excited about that. I don't have curly hair, but I'm still gonna use this because I love me some oils. And so yeah guys, that's gonna be everything for today's haul. I actually still have a whole nother bag to go through, but I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm actually gonna split this video up into 2 parts. So this is part 1, and stay tuned for part 2 so I could show you the rest of the stuff that I got. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, comment it down below. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, BritanyRaquell, go ahead and subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so that's 3 times a week. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!